Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover a Discord account without 2FA. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Discord. Click to open discord.com. Next, click on Support from its dashboard. Then click on Submit a Request. First, you need to describe the problem that you're facing. Select the option of Hacked Account from the drop-down menu. Now you need to enter your email address. Right below it, you need to enter the full username and tag number associated with the Discord account. Then add the email associated with the account before it was compromised. After that, select the suspicion of how you believe the account was compromised. Then tell whether you receive an email from the Discord or not. Then select No. After that, tell if you're able to log into your account. Here, again select No. Then select the option of Yes to tell that 2FA was enabled on the account by the hacker. Right below it, add a subject. Lastly, add the description about your request. Also, you can attach files to send as evidence. On the Submit to send your report. Discord will help you in recovering your account. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.